Hi YouTube, today is July the 15th and it's 2022 and I'm coming to you with a really short video because I bought something else from Coach just recently. I've been buying a lot of stuff from them recently, like over the past couple months, and my package just came today. I took it out of the box and here's how they packed it. As you can see, let's see. Oh, it's supposed to be this way. My bad. So anyway, you can see how nicely they pack it. Coach always pack things good. So basically, this is just a little unboxing of one item, and I just wanted you guys to see this with me. Because I've been sitting here for like the past half hour trying to get this camera and everything to work right. Here's the tag. And it says comparable value is $350. I don't know if you can see that. The lighting and stuff. The lighting is never correct. But anyway, take it off and show you what I got. Wow, 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 wow. When it's on the front and the back. This is what I just purchased. And I just got it. It just came into the mail today, not too long ago. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Smells so good, like leather. So this is my latest purchase from the Coach outlet. This is how it looks from the side. So you can see how much space you would have in this bag. Here's the other side, same thing. And Coach insignia is up here. That's Coach New York, as you can see right there. And then this is the embossed tab. And they emboss it in like the C's that's sitting out, because they have some new ones now that are embossed, but it's not like where you can feel it. It's like pressed in. Like the C's would be there, but it would be in. It wouldn't be out like this. So I like this kind better. And they kind of had stopped selling these right here. And I guess every now and then you may come across one. So I saw it in my, they sent me an email. They always send me emails because I buy stuff from them all the time. And I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness, that's pretty. That's the embossed one. I want one of the Coach embossed bags, because the Katie bag that I have, I wanted that, and I wanted that embossed. Okay, but I didn't see it at that time. I didn't even know anything about embossing from Coach. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to show you the inside of the bag. Let me just put this down so you can see this. See how nicely it's wrapped. And it's got this kind of strap. I think they call it a guitar strap. And let's take that off. Here's the zipper pull. That's how the zipper pull looks. Sorry about my lighting. My lighting is not good. That's the zipper pull. Okay. And the embossing is on the front, sides, and back of the bag. And then the top part is just the cowhide. I think they said it's calf leather. I think that's what the when you look on the website, that's what it says on there for the description. It says, I think it said calf, not cowhide, but calf leather. Okay, so now I'm going to open this up. You see all this packing in there. Coach packs their bags like really, really good. There's a mad packing in here. Okay, so here is the bag. I can pull this back up. Here we go. But it look with all the packing out. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. As you can see, there's a slip pocket right here. Big slip pocket that goes down the length, the depth of the purse. So it don't just stop like halfway. It goes all the way down for the full, you know, the full length of this handbag. And let's see, what's on this side? Nothing. So you got all the space right here to put all your stuff. And it has the gunmetal hardware. So I'm gonna take this off. Let you see it. Gunmetal hardware. Okay. This is the hardware on it. What it looks like. So it just sort of look kind of silvery black. You can see that. And then it has this nice strap, and this strap is adjustable. As you can see, it's adjustable. It's this length, and then I can just adjust it. I guess maybe push this through here like this. But anyway, it is adjustable. And it has this little thing on here. I don't know what you call this. Must be after you adjust it to sort of just keep it where you want it. But isn't that cute? Oops, I forgot to take this off. Oh, they have a zippered pocket in the front. The zippered pocket that they have in the front. There you go. And it goes all the way down for the whole entire length of the purse. That's how it looks. We have one slip pocket on the inside, and here that's the same, where the pocket goes all the way down the whole entire length of the purse. Because sometimes you get a slip pocket and it may start here and then it just goes to here. So it just give you like a, you know, a little part to put your stuff in, but this has it all the way down. And then it's going to match perfectly with this little wristlet that I had bought. So it's the same embossed leather. So it's going to match perfect. So when I take this, I probably will put this in there too. Isn't that cute? So let's start by putting that in. Put that in. And then I have my other little Coach that I had bought a few months ago, which is the Nolita 19. And that's how this looks. Nolita 19. And I'll show you again, but I had it in a previous video. This is how the inside looks on this Nolita. It has a little slip pocket here, and then it has the card holder on this side. It has 2 spaces for cards right here, as you can see. And this is called the Nolita 19. And this bag right here, I think it's called the Huston Flight Bag, because it's really a bag for guys. It's not really for us women. But I just like the embossing so much, and they don't have anything else that I wanted, like a handbag and then the embossing, so I got this. So I said later on, if they get some different bags and it's you know, the embossed, then I may get one of those, like it has a different color other than black, because I have a lot of black bags. I will get that too in the future. And then it has this little hang tag that says Coach New York on there, and that's all leather. It smells so good. So I put this in there too. If I want to put it this way, or I could even put it this way. See if it fit that. Let me take out the first one. See if it would fit. Yep, it fits perfect in there. As you can see, it's down in there. Ooh, and they got one of those little sensors in there, it looked like. Uh-oh, my light is about to fall. It's one of the sensors. So if you don't take these out, when you go into the store and you come out, it will set off that little alarm and make it seem like you stole something. So you have to take these out when you buy these pocketbooks, even though sometimes they may deactivate them or something. I don't know if they do or they don't, but I don't keep it in my bag. I take it out. But this is what I got. A Huston Flight Bag with the embossed calf leather from Coach. And it's from the outlet store. And the price, the regular price is $350. But you know, on the couch. On the Coach outlet, you're not going to pay that much. Okay, so let's see. I'm watching my time. And this up to 10 minutes. I wanted to make this very short. Just so I can show you this. And the dimensions on this bag, I believe, I'm not exactly sure, but I did, look at them. I think it's like 10.5 inches down this way, and I think it's like almost 9 inches across, like 8 3/4 across, and then it's like about 2 inches going this way. So that just gives you, shows you how much you can fit into your bag. It's not one of those really flat bags. It does have a little girth to it. So, again, I'm going to be using both of these together, and I think they are so cute. Okay, well, that's all I came to show you today. And hoping everybody is doing well. Hoping you still are following protocol and still keeping your hands sanitized and everything like that. Because even though they always say that COVID is gone and all this stuff, you see people when they're not wearing masks anymore. I still wear my mask. I still wear my mask, okay? Because you just don't know. They have this new variant that they're talking about on television now. So I still wear my mask every time, even when I go to put trash outside. I got a mask on. I might look stupid, but I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so in closing, God bless you. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Come back and see me again. I enjoy your company, and I view you as family when you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you.